It's hard to believe, when you look at this tranquil view today, that this area was the forefront of the Industrial Revolution. It was the Silicon Valley of its day. For me, the most spectacular sign of the Coast Path's industrial past are the tin mines and engine houses perched on the cliffs in West Cornwall. They've been designated as a World Heritage Site. In terms of views, this is one of my favourite bits of the Coast Path. You know, I can see lots of the old engineer houses and things here, but what are they so important for? Why are they here?
Well, this is one of the very first places in Cornwall where mining really starts. In fact, it's one of the first places in Western Europe where proper underground mining gets going. And it starts down on those cliffs down there. The reason being that the mineral lodes hit the coast at right angles. So for somebody, you know, out in that boat, for instance, a prospector would easily see where the mineral lodes were in the cliffs, and then they could chase them in.
So what was it like about 100 years ago here? What were you saying?
Very noisy. There wouldn't have been a scrap of green on these cliffs. It would have been red, browns, blacks, muddy, filthy, noisy, polluted, not the sort of thing that anybody would allow to happen now.
It must have been really difficult to get the engine houses built here and to get all the technology into the house itself.
Oh yeah, absolutely. This was the equivalent of the space shuttle launch. The mining technology that was developed on these cliffs was exported all over the world, and it made possible, you know, Rio Tinto zinc and all the huge mines all over the world. It was those technologies that unlocked the modern age.
So that's some of our mining heritage, but there's lots of other heritage related to industry and trade waiting to be discovered along the Coast Path. Fishing remains an important industry even today, and you'll pass both large and small fishing ports all along the coast.
Newlin's the second biggest harbour in Britain, and you can walk straight out onto the docks, and, you know, when the boats are coming in.
Ancient ports like Charlestown, where you can still see sailing ships, remind us of the importance of international trade. Also, the great ports of Falmouth and Plymouth have a rich naval heritage. Another industrial landmark that transformed the Coast Path is the railway.
It originated as an industrial railway system. It was to move minerals and things like that around, not people initially. And then, of course, at the beginning of the 20th century, people started coming down, and new places like Newquay started to appear with huge railway hotels. So very spectacular again, worth seeing.
If you like the look of this walk and the scenery around you, there are dozens of walks on our website that take you past the iconic features of the industrial and trade heritage of our coastline. Just look for heritage on the Walk Finder part of our website. Happy walking. Bye.